Welcome, fellow interns, to Walter P. Moore, where we make dreams happen. Today, you guys will be sitting at these desks. Why are we here? You all are probably wondering why we are here. I'm here to save lives. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky, no Roberts.
The reason why I applied is because there's no project that's the same. Each project is very unique.
I really like how complex the projects are here.
How has this internship influenced your career goals? But we're full-time. That wasn't my question.
The internship has helped me gain valuable experience working on unique projects.
This internship has helped build my confidence to take on more challenging work.
Hey, Vedant, this is the new guy.
Hi, I'm Kaz.
I'm Vedant, Assistant Intern Manager.
Assistant to intern manager. So tell him about your commander's calculations.
Commander's fan. Where's my mouse? What did you do?
How do you know it was me?
Of course it was you. You've done it before. You should reprimand her.
You're gonna have to eat your way out of it.
I'm sorry, Vedant. I'm your biggest fan.
You should put her in custody.
What I love about this office is how willing everyone is to help you succeed and answer any questions. Everyone's super approachable, and I feel like the culture in the company is super close-knit.